My name is Morgan Knackley, and I work with the California Department of Fish and Wildlife, and I'm a senior supervisor within the Klamath and Trinity program in the coastal fisheries up here in the northern region. So today we're standing on the banks of the Klamath River, roughly 10 miles downstream from Interstate 5. So this year is the first opportunity for fall run Chinook fishing within the Klamath and the Trinity rivers. It marks the first opportunity in 3 years after a period of closure. August 15th marks the opening of the fall run fishery in the Klamath River, and September 1st marks the opening of the fall run fishery in the Trinity. We figure out what sort of opportunities that persist in any given year. This year we have an opportunity, so we're taking it. The roughly 3,200 fish are available in the in-river sport fishery. Next year could be different, but we're going to enjoy it while we can. That's 3,200 that's split between the Klamath and the Trinity Basin. We'll be out on the water monitoring the catch and initiating what we call a quota fishery. And so we'll be counting the fish as we get closer to the quota. We'll shut down individual subsections of the river accordingly based on where the fish are being caught. Once a specific quota area has reached its quota attainment, the department will notify the public via press releases, and we'll be updating our salmon hotline. The fish presence will change throughout the season, whereas the onset of the season, the fish are entering through the mouth of the Klamath. And as the fish swim upstream, we anticipate the fishermen will follow the fish as they swim upstream, both on the Trinity and the Klamath arms. There's been a lot of hard work that's gotten us to this point. There's been a lot of restoration work, a lot of monitoring work, a lot of boots on the ground, people counting fish on the river. CDFW hatcheries play a major role in providing opportunities for the overall fishery. On an annual basis, roughly 30% of the adult returns to the entire basin are of hatchery origin. Well, the Trinity River Hatchery is primarily the facility that's producing fish that return on the Trinity River side. And on the Klamath River side, it was once Iron Gate Hatchery, and now it is Fall Creek Hatchery. I'm excited about the opportunity to get back out on the river and catch some fish, or at least try.